Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to display the TikTok icon on the Windows 11 desktop screen without installing the application. This method is done using Google Chrome, so you can duplicate as many TikTok icons on your desktop screen, according to the number of Google Chrome that you have duplicated on the desktop screen. The first step, open Google Chrome first.